Hi, I'm Edwin Jakobs. I am a creative coder and I work for and co-founded a small studio for interactive design. My work essentially combines everything that is related to design and software. So in my work I make tools for design and I make design systems in software. What I usually do is I introduce a level of software literacy to young students, and they can use this literacy as a skill to try to use software and programming to design. But even if they later on decide not to use this as a skill, I still think that what they have learned is very important to understand software and to be critical about software. A lot of our work, it starts from the principles in software, and potentially those things, they may end up in a physical form. So the disciplines that we see are those of graphical designers, data visualization, data scientists, computer scientists, interaction designers, experience designers. You should absolutely introduce software literacy, and this is something that we see this over time. A lot more academies, design academies, they start introducing programming in their curriculum. Currently, the field that I work in, it's moving so incredibly fast, and it's almost impossible to write a traditional book that captures the theory and the practice in this field. And for myself, the way that I connect most with what is going on, with the practice, is actually through social media. I also think a lot of the knowledge that we have or that we use in the way that we design it's so much based on doing it and making experiments and see what happens. That's the kind of knowledge that is incredibly hard to write down.